What's up, Facebook? It's your girl D Ray, the Divine Relationship Alchemist, coaching you on healing your relationship with self and therefore healing your relationship with others. I want to make a quick video titled The Mind, Music, and Marriage. And this video is so important because many of us do not understand the importance of music and how music affects us, consciously or unconsciously, right? And so I want to talk about that. We can look around, look around our environment and see how the music has been detrimental. But I want to give some tips and some advice on how we can use music to create good, kind, loving relationships. Okay, we've already seen the negative aspect of how music can affect us. I want to talk about how we can use music to be beneficial. So the first thing in this whole shebang is to know how the mind works. And we all know that our subconscious mind is the creator. Our subconscious mind is what is reflected in our reality. Whatever we program our subconscious mind with is what will be created, right? And so our subconscious mind is programmed by repetition, symbols, and trauma. All right, if you don't know that, you got to know that that's simple, basic stuff in this reality. The one that we have to talk about is repetition. Why is that? Because the music that we listen to over and over and over again becomes our unspoken affirmation, all right? It's the affirmation that we are tuned into and running on without us actually saying the words, okay? And why is that? Because when we listen to music, we feel it, we connect with it on an emotional level. And that connection is what draws the music to us and is what draws the words, the frequencies, the vibrations that the music puts out to us, right? So we all know what music is. It's expression. It's a form of art using rhythm, frequency, vibration, melodies, things like that. And all music has a certain feel to it. And a lot of the music that is projected to us right now is intentionally negative. And that music is a form of warfare and terrorism, right? Against the mind. We can just look around and see how what is being said in our music is being projected, in our reality, especially with the teenagers, the young people. I mean, it is what it is. But for us, I want to talk about how us gods and goddesses can use music to create something beautiful. Marriage, right? Marriage, relationships, intimate relationship with that one special person. First of all, for me, being a relationship alchemist, marriage has nothing to do with a contract, right? Signing them papers do not make you married. What makes you married is conjoining that yin and yang, masculine and feminine energy to become one and experience that unconditioned love of the all. The all is everything, God, the universe. And when we conjoin with our opposite, our yin or our yang force, when we come together, that's marriage, and that's on the soul level, okay? It's two people becoming one and experiencing God and living as one as God, right? That's what marriage is. And so when we think about that, there's a certain vibration and there's a certain frequency that two individual people have to come together on to actually be that. And so I want to talk about some songs and the methodology that you need to tap into in order to manifest that type of relationship, right? Me, I did exactly that. Okay, I did exactly that. Manifested that soulmate love, that soulmate relationship. And some of the songs that I was listening to at that time, like on repeat every day, was 1, Stevie Wonder, I'll Be Loving You Always. 2, Sade, By Your Side. 3, 4, Anita Baker, Giving You the Best That I Got, Angel. And just that good feel, high vibration music. That music where they talking about that real old school love that taps deep, deep, deep within, right? And so one of the ways that I manifested this love, and one of the ways that you can use this to manifest the same type of love, is to listen to that song every day. Early in the morning, you wake up, put that song on. And as you're listening to it, conjure up the feelings, okay? Conjure up the energy, okay? The vibration, the frequency of that song. So if we're listening to I'll Be Loving You Always by Stevie Wonder, in your heart chakra, you want to imagine what it actually feels like to first love yourself that way, because all relationships are a reflection of the relationship that you have with yourself. You want to tap into how that feels to love yourself that way first, right? You're giving yourself that hug. You're giving yourself that endless, unwavering, unconditioned, I'll be loving you always kind of love, right? And you want to feel it. You want to be looking in your mirror like, I'll be loving you always. You got to feel that love for yourself. Vibe with that. Resonate with that. You can only manifest things that you resonate with. You can only manifest things that you are on equal vibration with, right? So one way to do that is to listen to a song that you would like to manifest. Listen to that song every day. And as you're listening to it, feel it, connect with it, tap into the emotions, the frequency, the vibration of that song. Again, you cannot manifest anything unless you have made a connection directly to it. So that's one way. Another way to manifest that unconditioned, soulmate, yin-yang, balance, soul level, experiencing the all kind of love is to meditate to that song. Meditate to good music, right? I'm just making this video so that we can become conscious of what we are listening to, so that we can have an awareness as to some reasons why we may not be manifesting good, solid relationships. Some of us may be manifesting those, relationships that last like that long. You know what I'm saying? Where women behave in certain ways, men behave in certain ways. Well, if you're listening to songs that, downplay women, if you're listening to music that does not uplift women, then that's the type of relationships that you're going to manifest. You have to be tapped in and tuned in to what it is that you want to manifest. So one song that I love is that Donny Hathaway, A Song for You. He says, I love you in a place where there's no space or time. First of all, you got to love yourself from a place where there's no space and time, and understand that that's actually where you come from. You come from the beyond, the great by and by, the great darkness where there is no space and no time. So imagine meditating to a song like that, right? You meditate to a song like that, get yourself into alpha state, and you allow that song to penetrate your subconscious mind and resonate there, right? That's how we make things manifest. We make things manifest by tapping into that subconscious mind. And one way that we can do that is to use the music, right? The music around us is a form of warfare, a form of terrorism, and it has been used to create this negative reality that we're seeing. I want to talk about how we can use music to create beneficial relationships. Like I said, I'll Be Loving You Always, Stevie Wonder. That's a song to listen to every day. And feel that unconditioned love. Feel it for yourself first. And then that love, that unconditioned love that you feel for yourself will be resonated and will be projected outward. And then you will manifest a person into your life who will love you unconditionally in the same way that you love yourself first. Okay? Understand that music is a program within itself, right? And you can use these certain high vibration songs, right, to manifest. It's a program. It has frequency, vibration. It's repetitive. Okay? Again, the subconscious mind is programmed by repetition. So it's no different than you verbalizing an affirmation. I am great. I am loving. I am beautiful. I have a beautiful relationship. I am the yin to a divine man's yang, or vice versa, whatever affirmation that you say. Okay, music can become your unspoken affirmation if you listen to it every day. All right? So that's it. The music, mind, marriage. You can manifest that divine marriage. Again, marriage has nothing to do with signing a contract of paper. Yes, we understand that in this reality, that's what people say is what makes you married. But there's some married people who are not married because they're not connected on the soul level, and they don't balance each other out as far as their yin and yang, masculine and feminine energies, right? These people are not coming together as one, right? These people are not experiencing the all as one, and that's real marriage. Real marriage is two masculine and feminine energies coming together as one and experiencing unconditioned love on a soul level and living and being as we are, as God, as the universe. That is the universe. We are our own planet. We are our own constellation, right? And that's what marriage is. You gotta understand that you can create that relationship. You can manifest that kind of relationship by way of music. If music can create all of these other realities that we see, okay, music can be used to create that type of reality. The mind is programmed by repetition, symbols, and trauma. You can use music by using it and by listening to it and by singing these songs repetitively. Meditate to them. Okay? Meditate to specific songs that you vibrate with. Get into alpha state, let that music do its work. Okay? Let the subconscious mind do its work. Okay? All right. Again, thank you guys for joining the Divine Melanin vlog. You know how we do. We love, we lift, we experience life divinely. It's your girl, D. Ray, helping you to heal your relationship with self, to heal your relationships with others.